Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second video and today we are going to talk about the latest updates and news regarding Australia and its borders. There was a cabinet meeting and it is the last meeting for this year. The next cabinet meeting would be in February. So what happened on Friday? We received a lot of different news. A few are contradictory on December 15th issue. First one is their biosecurity ban has been extended till February 17, 2022. So what is it going to mean for our students? It's not going to change anything. They didn't mention specifically that December 15th all the plans that are being scrapped. They didn't mention anything like this. They are very excited to welcome back students and 485 visa holders. So this is a good news. There are a lot of other YouTube channels who are making a big fuss about this. So yeah, go to the immigration website, official immigration website, and check with that. Any updates or any changes to the existing plans would be mentioned there. And let's get into the good news. India has started travel bubble arrangement with Australia. So all the Indian nationals, Australian nationals can travel to India without any exceptions, and all the Indian nationals can also travel to Australia without any permits required. This might include Bhutan and Bangladesh citizens also. Like I have given the links in the descriptions. You can check there. There is a lot more written in the description. And as of now, December 15th is still on. There is no news regarding December 15th in the cabinet meeting stating that December 15th plans are scrapped. It's not mentioned anywhere. So the biosecurity ban till 2022, that's a bit of concern, but it's not our headache to take care. It's definitely not our headache right now. The thing we need to plan is any dates from January 15th, 2022. If your course starts from February, you can go in January or mid-January. I'm planning to go after 15th January. So yeah, that's a bit about me, what I'm going to do. And we need to see about the travel declarations. There might be quarantine in few states like NSW and Victoria and South Australia, Queensland. They have also opened for Queensland have also opened for fully vaccinated people. Now I think they are not going to go back in lockdowns and all. They have specifically said this, and Scott Morrison have also urged all the state premiers to not go into lockdowns. That is not how they are going to deal with it. They might pause some things, they might flag some countries, but it's not like complete ban like we heard in 2020 or 2019. So it's not going to happen like that. So stay positive. I'm sending all the positive vibes to all my fellow students, and that's it for this video.